Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you experiencing the frustrating issue of your Windows PC restarting every time you try to shut it down? Don't worry, this can be fixed. This issue can be caused by several factors, but today I will show you 4 simple solutions to fix it out. So let's get started. Let's first disable Fast Startup. This feature is designed to reduce startup times, but it can sometimes cause conflicts during shutdown. So to disable this, right click on Start menu, then select Settings. Now click on System. Once the page will open, select Power and Sleep from the left pane. Then in the right side you will find Additional Power Settings. Click on this. Once the power option page will open, choose what the power button do. Okay, now click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And finally, uncheck turn on Fast Startup and save your changes. Okay. So the next, let's reconfigure your network adapter settings. Sometimes issue with network connectivity can trigger unexpected restart. So for that, once again right click on the Start menu and this time select Device Manager. Then open Network Adapter and find the one connected to your PC. Okay, so here I will find mine. So right click on this and select Properties. And here you will find Power Management tab. Open this and then uncheck the box, allow this device to wake the computer. Okay, and press OK. Now let's disable automatic restart. This will prevent Windows from automatically restart after certain system errors. So to do that, once again right click on Start menu and select Settings. After that, select System. Then you need to scroll down and you will find About. Click on this from the left hand side. Under Related Settings, select Advanced System Settings. Once the Systems Properties page will open, go to the Advanced tab under Startup and Recovery. Then click Settings. Then uncheck the box for Automatically Restart under System Failure. Okay. Now click on OK on all open windows. So lastly, we will use the registry editor to make some tweaks. But be cautious, as editing the registry can cause system instability if done incorrectly. Okay. Then press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. And here you need to type regedit and hit enter. Now once the registry editor page will open, navigate to HKey local machine. Expand this and you will find Software. Under Software, you need to locate Microsoft. Expand this and now you need to scroll down little bit and you will find Windows NT. Just expand this and under this you will find current version. And now you need to find Windowslogon. Okay, once you get this, just select this and in the right side you need to find PowerdownAfterShutdown option. Once you get this, just right click on this and select Modify, and here you need to change the value data to 1. That means here it is 0, you need to make it 1 and click OK. So that's it. Try these all 4 methods one by one and restart your PC after each to see if the issue is resolved. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching.